So there's 2 dead deer on the side of the road. One right there. I'm gonna see if these things stink. Cause if they don't stink, then I'm gonna grab these jokers, put them on the back of this excursion, and I'm gonna put a trail camera in front of them. There's one right there. One deer right there. Another one right there. Something got a hold of that one. I'm gonna see if I can put the joker on the back of the excursion. Threw them on the back of the excursion. I'll get them home. I'm gonna put I slammed the door of my phone charger. That ain't no good. But I'm gonna get them home. Put them in front of a trail camera. Alright, so I got these 2 deer off the side of the road. And I seen that one right there, that big one. I seen that one this morning heading to Daddy's house, and I told myself if I seen it on the way back, I'll pick it up as long as it didn't smell too bad. Something's already been eating on the back end of it, but I could tell it was a bigger deer. I didn't see that one. It was in the opposite ditch, but I figured go ahead and get both of them since they were both there. That way, somebody's dog didn't get ran over or anything trying to nibble on them. So my thought was bring them home and put a trail camera in front of them, see how many coyotes, bobcats will show up. But my dogs seem like they want them, so I think I'm just gonna throw them in the dog fence with them and let them get a little fat while it's cold. So